fold, fold. To bend something, especially paper or cloth. Jack folded his arms and listened to me. Jack folded his arms and listened to me. Dry, dry. Freeze something from liquid and especially water. You need to dry your hair before going outside. You need to dry your hair before going outside. Mash, mash. To beat or crush something into a soft mass. Isabella mashed the potatoes with a fork. Isabella mashed the potatoes with a fork. Clutch, clutch. To hold something tightly. He clutched my cloth tightly. He clutched my cloth tightly. Wave, wave. To raise your hand and move it from side to side as a way of greeting someone. They waved their hands to say goodbye. They waved their hands to say goodbye. Wipe, wipe. To clean or dry something by rubbing with a cloth. Please wipe the table with a cloth. Please wipe the table with a cloth. Pat, pat. To touch someone or something gently and usually repeatedly with the hand flat. Lucas pats the dog on the road. Lucas pats the dog on the road. Nod, nod. To move your head down and then up, sometimes several times, especially to show agreement, approval, or greeting, or to show something by doing this. She nodded to look to him and smiled. She nodded to look to him and smiled. Crush, crush. To press it very hard so that its shape is destroyed or so that it breaks into pieces. He is crushing the can before throwing it away. He is crushing the can before throwing it away. Clean. Clean. Free from any dirty marks, pollution, bacteria, etc. Please clean the kitchen wall after cooking. Please clean the kitchen wall after cooking. Smash. Smash. To break into pieces violently and usually noisily. Lily smashed the bottle with a stick. Lily smashed the bottle with a stick. Tap. Tap. To hit something gently, and often repeatedly, especially making short, sharp noises. They are tapping their feet. They are tapping their feet. Brush. Brush. To clean one's teeth. William brushed his teeth before bed. William brushed his teeth before bed. Shine. Shine. To be bright with reflected light, glisten, sparkle. I am shining my shoes. I am shining my shoes. Chew. Chew. To crush food into smaller, softer pieces with the teeth so that it can be swallowed. Noah is chewing his food slowly. Noah is chewing his food slowly. Shave. Shave. To remove the beard, hair, etc. from the face, head, or body by scraping the skin with a razor. Charlie is shaving his beard because he has a job interview. Charlie is shaving his beard because he has a job interview. Comb. Comb. To tidy your hair using the comb. Evelyn, don't forget to comb your hair before going out. Evelyn, don't forget to comb your hair before going out. Taste. Taste. A person's ability to judge and recognize what is good or suitable. I have just tested a new flavor ice cream. I have just tested a new flavor ice cream. Pour. Pour. To make a substance flow from a container. Theodore poured the water into the glass. Theodore poured the water into the glass. Carry. Carry. To hold something or someone with your hands, arms, or on your back and transport it, him, or her from one place to another. You should carry the bag to transport for your friend. You should carry the bag to transport for your friend.